Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at TRUSTCORE mining. This is a testnet airdrop and it is still a brand new project. You can take advantage of it, start mining. And one good thing about this project is that they are going to list very soon, and they are listing on Binance, MERS, Bybit, and the best exchanges. What are you waiting for? I'm going to guide you step by step on how to start and earn TCore. They say that one TCore is equals to 1 USDT. So if actually that is the real price, we are going to hit USDT in this project. So I'm going to walk you through. So for you to mine this, you must have Discord. If you don't have a Discord, go to the Play Store and download Discord. Now, if you click on the link, it will bring you here, whereby you will now see log in with your Discord account. Tap on it. So once you log into your Discord, you have to scroll to authorize it. You can now see authorize. So tap on it to authorize the trust mining. Allow it to load. Now they are going to check the age of your Discord. They analyze the Discord premium and all that. So and after that, you can now see the TRUSTCORE mining. So the next thing to do here is you have to click on this download. You see this download, you have to download the APK. So tap on the download. So you have to choose the Play Store. They have the Android APK, but it is preferable to choose the Play Store. So you want to tap on the Play Store, you need to download it. I've already downloaded it, so follow the process, download it, install it in your app, then you are good to go. Once you install it, you are good to go. So this is what you need to do. After that, you come back here, you can now see mine. I started this project late at night. You can now see mine. So you click on it and it is still mining. Now this is the airdrop session. They are still on the testnet phase. So once you start mining, you are earning TCore. So here you can now see. So the next thing is you will see the hash key. You have 2 hash key every 24 hours. Look at what they say. Scratch cards. Scratch your cards to review TCore tokens. You get 2 cards every 24 hours. I've already scratched I've already scratched. So my next scratch is in 11 hours, 15 minutes, 52 minutes and 55 seconds. So you will see the first one here. It will show scratch. Once you scratch it, you are going to earn 5 TCore tokens. You claim it. Now the second one is this one. You will see also scratch. You scratch it and you are going to earn 7 TCore token. You claim it. So this is for the cards. Every 24 hours you do this. Now here is the gift card. You need to get the gift card. So I'll be dropping the gift card in my WhatsApp group. Make sure you join my WhatsApp group so that you will get the gift card every day. Once you get the gift card, you're going to earn 10 TCore every day. So you enter your gift card here. You can see enter gift code, sorry. You put it here and you click on confirm, and automatically you are going to earn 10 TCore. So for today, I'm going to drop it on my WhatsApp group. Make sure you join so that you can get this TCore. Now, look at what they say here. Each gift code is valid for 24 hours only. You can only use each code once. 10 TCore will be added to your account. So coming down here, you can now see task session where you have to perform little tasks. Now you have to like and verify. You like their posts. You join the Telegram link, you follow them on X, new like and repost, and you are getting 1 call each. Now this is your team where you will see your referral link. Copy your referral link here and share with your friends and family. Coming to the main session, this is the wallet session. You can see the wallet session, tap on it. Now the total balance I have is 22.18. Once you register, you're going to get this for free using my referral link as well. So if you click on withdraw is coming soon. Look at what they say, withdraw coming soon. So we are not going to withdraw here right now. Let's look at their white paper. If you click on this white paper, let's see their tokenomics, their roadmap and all that. So they say TRUSTCORE introducing TRUSTCORE, a decentralized mining revolution on core network. This TRUSTCORE is being supported by Satoshi Core. You all know Satoshi Core. If you are early to crypto, you must have had core in your Satoshi. So the Satoshi Core are the one backing this TRUSTCORE. So don't miss it for any reason. Now the tokenomics, they say the total supply is 1 billion TCore. Now they are giving 60% to users and nothing will be locked. You are going to unlock all your tokens. Liquidity 30%, promotion 5%. Team 5%. So these are the mining rules. Every users can mine. They say every users can mine TCore token daily from the app. No KYC or investment required to start mining. Referral system available for extra rewards. Token earn are fully unlocked and can be withdrawn. Now they say withdrawal. Once the withdrawal portal is open, user can be able to claim their mine TCore token directly to their wallet. Initial withdrawal rounds will be limited to early users to prevent congestion. Now, these are the exchange listings. They have Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, MEX Global. Now, join the movement. If you have not started, do not miss this for any reason. Join the movement now. Start accumulating TCore. They say that 1 TCore is equals to 1 USDT. If actually that's the real price, that means we are going to hit USDT like I said earlier. Why don't you join now? Link in the video description. So look at where they said it. They said TRUSTCORE mining withdrawal opening soon. Big announcement for all TRUSTCORE miner. They say TCore token withdrawal is launching soon. 1 TCore equals 1 USDT. Did you hear that? It's not Jenny that said it. 1 TCore equals 1 USDT. This is their S account. They say start mining now and earn absolutely free. No investment needed. Just open the app, tap start and accumulate your balance. So that is it. Start now and join the moving train. Link in the video description. If you find value from this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you.